Hi everyone and welcome to Extreme Fishing. My name is Matt. I am one of the developers of the game, and today I'm going to run you through the full process from registration to playing the game, creating NFTs, viewing the leaderboard, tracking your NFTs, all the fun stuff from beginning to end. We'll actually also go through how to get sand dollars from the Theta Swap website. So let's go ahead and jump in here on the extremefishing.turbolift.io homepage, and I'm going to click the register button. Short and simple, just email and password. Make sure I type that right. And agree and click register. All right, so that's good. We're going to go ahead and takes us back to the front page. We'll click the login button now, and same email and password. And then we are logged in. You can see up here in the top, it says hello Matt at turbolift.io. You can click your couple of links in here, your profile. It'll show your Theta wallet that you have connected, which we haven't done quite yet. Your NFTs, once you create NFTs in-game, this is another way to access them so you can view them and keep track of them. And then also your records. So everything you catch in the game is recorded. You can see here the full list of everything you can catch right now. We'll be expanding on this in the future. But for now, you can see how many times you've caught a particular item, how many times you've salvaged it once that's released, and then how many times you've converted it to an NFT. And then also once you actually catch it, you'll see the image and the name here. So that is those menus. Let's go ahead and go over here to the play button and jump right into the game. So when the game loads, it's going to ask us one more time to log in, just so we can verify with the game server. And once we do that, we are in. You can use the WASD keys to move Ned around. He's our otter fisherman that we'll be using. And before we start casting, let's check out the inventory. Click the tab key on your keyboard. That will bring up your menu starting on the equipment tab. You can see here we start you with some basic gear. So let's go ahead and equip that. If we click the right button on our mouse, the right clicker, that will automatically drop it into the correct gear slot. So you got your tackle box, your boots, vest, hat, your rod, and your lure. Also in your menu are your catches. Right now we don't have anything here. You'll have crafting here sometime soon. And then finally the NFT tab. And we'll get to this here in just a moment. For now, let's go back here. Make sure we've got our gear all equipped. We'll go ahead and close this out. And then to cast your rod, you want to hold the space bar, and that will bring up this cast meter. Try to get this as high as you can to the top of the box for a far throw. I guess I did okay there. Now you just wait a few seconds. As soon as the bobber turns red, that's when we know it's time to reel in. So go ahead and tap that space bar again. This time you don't want to hold it in all the way, because you want to try to have the green line beat that red line. So you kind of want to push it in, let it go, push it in, get that green line all the way to the top, and reel that fish in. So we got a salmon there. Let's go ahead and cast it out one more time. Remember, space bar, hold it in. Get that cast distance as high as you can. Wait for the bobber to turn red. And once it does, we start reeling with the space bar. Remember not to let that red line get too high. An old boot. So we can hit the tab key, go back to our menu, go to the catches tab, and see here that we've got our old boot and our sockeye salmon. So now let's talk about creating things, turning them into NFTs, converting your items to NFTs. So there's a couple of reasons you might want to do this. One is just to collect, right? You might want to collect all the catchables in the game. You can also turn your equipment into NFTs. So you might want to collect NFT cards of your equipment. But also you're going to get some bonuses to your stats. And the primary stat you're looking to boost here is the luck stat. So right now we start off with 0 luck. So get that luck stat higher, you open up more possibilities to catch more fish, rarer fish, or other things that are out there. And when you convert your equipment and catches to NFTs, you're going to get a bonus on those for the luck. So let's go ahead and jump into doing that. First, what we're going to need is the TNT 20 token sand dollar. So I'm going to run you through how to get some sand dollars on the Theta Swap website. First thing you'll want to do is have your Theta wallet, the browser extension, all plugged in. And if you don't know how to do that, you can click the support tab here. And this option right here, how do I purchase NFTs in game? Click that. It'll drop you right down here. And this is the full walkthrough of how you can get set up with your Theta wallet, get the Theta browser extension installed, and then finally convert your T-Fuel to sand dollars. So I've already done steps 1 and 2 here, and I'm jumping into the sand dollars and T-Fuel. If you need help with steps 1 and 2, there's a great video by a YouTuber for both how to create the wallet and how to install the browser extension. So those 2 should be helpful. For now, I have my wallet connected, or I have my browser extension installed rather. So for now, what I need to do is I need to actually connect my wallet to Extreme Fishing. So once I have the browser extension installed, I click the Connect Wallet button here. It's just going to prompt me to unlock my Theta wallet. And from there, it will grab the wallet that you have connected. So that's my address. And then here shows your sand dollar balance, which I currently have. It actually didn't refresh. I do have some. It should refresh on page load. But I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get some more sand dollars on the Theta Swap website. So let's go ahead and click the Get Sand Dollars button, which is actually just going to take us right back to the support page down here to the sand dollars and T-Fuel section. There's one piece of information you're going to need before we head to the Theta Swap website is the sand dollar contract address. So this is the TNT 20 contract address. Let's go ahead and copy that. And I'm going to click this link to head over to the Theta Swap website. Once you're here, you'll actually need to connect your wallet. My wallet's already connected. So if it's not connected, you'll see a teal button that says Connect Wallet. And you just click it and it'll ask you to enter your password again. You can see here I have 60 T-Fuel. And I'm going to convert that T-Fuel, some of it, into sand dollars. First, I need to select a token right here. And I already have sand dollars in here because I've converted before, but if you haven't and you don't have this option, you just need to paste the contract address right here. That'll bring up the SDLR token. You click it, and then you'll be all set to start converting. I'm going to go ahead and convert 15 of my T-Fuel into sand dollars, and you can see here it's an estimated 9.9 sand dollars per T-Fuel. So I'm going to get about 146, almost 147. Once I'm happy with that, I click swap. And this is just going to ask me to confirm everything is correct. Click confirm swap one more time. And now you need to confirm it in your wallet. So this is letting the Theta wallet browser extension know that you confirm the transaction. And now it's being broadcast to the blockchain, so we just have to wait a few seconds for that to complete. All right, swap 15 T-Fuel for 146.9 sand dollars is finalized. And we can see here my balance has updated here, so I have almost 200 sand dollars. So that's that's simple as that to get your sand dollars. So now let's head back over to Extreme Fishing, the game, and we will start creating some NFTs. Go ahead and type your username and password in. Let's get back into the game here. Hit the tab key to bring up our inventory. And let's start with a piece of equipment. So remember, when you convert your equipment to NFTs, you're going to get a bonus to your luck. And you're also going to get a quest that I'll show you more here in a second once we create it. Let's go ahead and select this hat, and then down here you'll see the button Create NFT. Go ahead and click that. That takes us over to the NFT tab, where we can see we're taking this old item and converting it into a new item, which will be an NFT. So let's go ahead and, also it's telling you the cost here is 50 sand dollars. So let's go ahead and click Create here. This is just going to remind me that the item that I'm turning into an NFT is going to be removed from the game, and then the NFT will take its place. And also that it's being sent to this wallet address, which is the one that I have connected. So I'm happy with that. I'm going to click Convert to NFT. It's going to pop up in my Theta wallet extension to confirm the cost of 50 sand dollars. Confirm that. Again, that's being broadcast to the blockchain, so we'll have to wait a few seconds for that to complete. And then once that's completed, we'll process the transaction, and then finally we'll get to the fun part, which is generating the NFT. So, and this takes just a few more seconds because, well, one, it's talking to the blockchain, and two, it's generating a unique image using the base icon. So here we go. We got the old hat, and we got an orange background on this. So it's pretty simple. But let's go back over here to our equipment. And we can see now that our original hat is gone and our new shiny NFT is here. So let's click that, and down here we can see a couple rows of stats, right? So we've got the NFT bonus gave us +1 to our luck, and this quest has been added. So it's a small fish quest. So you need to fish of the type small fish. Once you catch 100 of those, you'll be given another bonus stat for completing the quest. So let's go ahead and equip that. So now we've got our NFT hat equipped, and you can see our luck is now brought up to 1. Probably not quite high enough to get us to that next tier of catchables, but you can see how if you stacked your equipment, you could quickly get your luck score up there. So let's go ahead and convert a catchable to an NFT. So let's go ahead and let's take this old boot. Haven't done an old boot yet. So we'll select that. Same process. The Create NFT button pops up down here. Tells us this is our old item, this is our new item, and this is the cost. Let's go ahead and click Create. Again, letting me know that the old item will be replaced with the NFT, and this is the wallet address. Convert. And confirm the cost one more time. And so we just wait a few seconds for the transaction to go through. And now we are generating the NFT. There it is, the old boot. Nice colored background and border pattern. Let's go. Remember, it won't be in our catches. So you can see our catches shows that we have 0 old boots now. But it will be in our equipment because even though it's a boot, it's technically a charm. So any catchable that you convert to an NFT becomes a charm, which goes in this slot here. So you can see from the old boot, you get another bonus of +1 luck. So let's go ahead and right click it, drop that into the charm slot, and you can see our total luck now is 2. So we've got 2 NFTs equipped, and we are ready to do some more fishing. So that's a quick walkthrough of converting your in-game items to NFTs. And a couple other things I want to show. Well, one last thing I want to show is the leaderboard. So anytime you convert your catchables to an NFT, they get a couple new stats added to them. One is the weight. So our old boots right here on the leaderboard, it got a weight of 8 and luck of 1. And it also gets assigned what we call the wear, which is kind of the condition of the item. And in this case, it's a shiny. So that's actually, I think that's it's the 4th highest. So pristine is the 1st or 2nd highest. and Shiny's next in line. So not bad, but a pretty low score overall for our old boot, even though it does look nice. So that's the leaderboard, and you can filter these items by categories, and you can filter them by the where and also by the type of catchable. And I think that about does it for a general walkthrough. I hope this was helpful, and if you still have questions or you run into problems, please feel free, join us on Discord. The button's in the footer on every page. Join us on Discord right here. Everyone's welcome. Questions, there's 3 of us developers around, so we're happy to answer any questions or help walk through any tech issues that come up. And we hope you join us, and we'll be on the lookout for updates. We're looking to add more catchables. We're looking to add more animations, more art, just expand the entire thing out. And eventually there will be a marketplace where you will be able to sell your NFTs or buy other NFTs from other people. So we hope you'll join us, and I hope this tutorial was helpful, and we'll see you all on Extreme Beach. Until then.